Greetings, this Miss Lonnie Renee. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time tuning in, hit that subscribe button. If you notice on my thumbnails, I put these beautiful birds. Detroit don't have birds like that. They got these dusty, pigeon-looking birds flying around the city. Well, anyway, this is the Rosa Parks Transit Center. Shout out to the late Rosa Parks, the civil rights queen. Anyway, this transit bus station was named after her, and it's no disrespect to her. For years, the citizens of Detroit actually has been treating this bus station like a park. Honestly, they've been feeding the birds. Some of the citizens fed these birds so tough, they were all over, flying over people. The ones that fed them, they just had pigeons all over. Now, it just looked gross. Well, anyway, they finally put this sign up: do not feed the birds. Look at it. Do not feed the birds. Now, it's probably not that many people feeding the birds. Now you have the birds on top of the building. I mean, they calling their pigeon friends, and the pigeon friends calling their pigeon friends. So they figured they will get fed, and they just looking out for anybody that can feed them some potato chips, bread, peanuts, you name it. They just looking like, man, who gonna feed us today? Well, ain't nobody gonna feed us. Look at them. They just hanging around waiting for anybody. See, that's what happens when you've been doing something so long, and you didn't tackle the problem when you first opened up the transit center years ago, because the transit center is not that old. I remember them construction workers putting up. So it's still kind of fairly new. And if the city had tackled it from the beginning, those pigeons would not be hanging around. So now they are hanging around for someone to feed them. Even when I show my videos, the inconvenience of the Detroit Marathon, if you look at those videos, those pigeons was hanging around then. And so they're hanging around now, just waiting. Well, anyway, this video is for entertainment purpose. I really get tickled at it. Like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one. And remember, be good to yourself. Take care.